Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am beedee and today I'm presenting a video showing you these lovely new products from Modelones. So if you want to learn more about these items, just keep watching. So the first thing I want to talk about is the mini UV LED lamp. I think this is super cute and it came nicely packaged. The one that I received from Modelones came in this beautiful pink shade, and I love how tiny and like compact and cute it is because you can travel with this. If you need to do like something on the go, you can just pop this into your purse really, because it's just that small, and I do like it. And you can plug it up with the USB cord that comes with it. And next I want to dive right into these polishes. So the packaging here is gorgeous. Like, I don't have anything like this in my collection, and I really love the wooden tops. I think those are super cute. And the first color here is a pure white. I think having a white gel polish in your collection is a must, so I really like that. And then they have this beautiful mauve toned color. I think this is gorgeous too, and this is a beautiful color basically for any season. Along with this gorgeous taupe color. I love taupe. This is actually the color that I'm going to be using in the no chip manicure I'm going to do at the end of this video, so just keep watching. And also a beautifully toned green, like sage color. I think this is also gorgeous. I would even love to put this on my toes, and if you've watched my videos, you know that I love just a regular polish on my toes, but I may make a little bit of a little switch up and do a gel polish pedicure as well with this color. And you know that I love a little razzle dazzle, a little shadangleness, so this beautiful shimmery rose gold color is so beautiful. I was super excited to see this in the 5 colors that they sent me, and I think it is beautiful. And of course, no gel manicure is complete. You can't even start it or end it without a base coat and a top coat. So I really like this set of base coat and top coat from Modelones, and the packaging, again, super cute. We love to see it. So now I'm going to jump right into the no chip manicure. I'm going to prepare my nails first, just buffing up the nail bed surface to make sure that the polishes have something to adhere to. If you're familiar with my nail videos, you know that I like a rounded nail file just to get up and around that cuticle area. So just going to do that, and then I'm going to follow that up with a buffing square just to make sure that if I created any nicks or scuffs in my nail bed, I can smooth that out so that the polish application is smooth. And to get rid of any oils or product buildup, or not product, but just buildup from filing my nails, I'm going to take an alcohol wipe just to get that off, and then it'll be time to begin with polishing. Of course, for a no chip manicure, you have to start with your base coat. I really like this base coat. It is simple and just straight to the point, which is what you need. It goes on pretty smooth, and I just like to take the slow and steady method with doing a no chip manicure just to make sure that I'm not using too much product and that I'm capping the free edge so that the polish will basically seal and that I can prevent any chips too early on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to all of my nails. I went ahead and cured my nails for just 1 minute. Actually, I think I cured for 2 minutes using the UV LED lamp. and I'm going to start with polishing my nails with the base color. I'm going to be using the house color, which I love because I love taupe, as I mentioned, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply one coat with the slow and steady method. Of course, just taking my time, making sure that I'm not putting too much polish on my nail bed so that it runs into the sidewalls or anything like that. I just want to make sure that I'm neat and careful so there's not too much to clean up, because as you know, cleaning up gel polish a lot different than cleaning up regular polish. Okay, so I just want to make sure that I am taking my time and careful, and this polish is great because it is easy to work with and it levels itself out, so there is not really much room for error. So this is great for beginners too. If you are just starting out and you want to do some no chip manicures at home, this is great, inexpensive products, and their quality, which we love. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to polish all of my nails and cure them for 2 minutes. And as you can see, it is nice and shiny. Like, look at the level of shine and gloss that we have. And we don't even have top coat here. And this is just one coat. The opacity is the opacity for me. Like, it's really given. But I'm going to go ahead and add another coat just because I really like this color and I just wanted to add another coat. But definitely, as you can see, not necessary because the color is there, the opacity is there. So I'm just going to go ahead and add another layer of polish and cure that for 2 minutes as well. And because I loved all the colors, I wanted to see if I could incorporate them into some fun designs. And I love the kind of abstract, fun, free play thing that's going on right now with nail trends and nail art. So I just wanted to do a little bit of some squiggly lines. And I just decided to use different colors on different nails. And because this is pretty, abstract, it doesn't have to be perfect. And these colors were amazing to work with. To complete the look and seal the designs, I'm going to top coat my nails. I am just top coating them one time because, as you saw, like, the shine is already there. But to make sure that there's no chip lasts, I'm just going to top coat my nails, and that is basically it. I want to thank Modelones for sending me over these products. If you guys want to check these products out, I will link the products in the description box so that you can check them out. And thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.